After spending a few days exploring Paris, I was ready to trade the busy streets for something a little calmer. And that brought me here, to the Jardin des Plantes. This botanical garden dates back to the 17th century, and it's home to over 20,000 plant species. On site, you'll also find a menagerie, a natural history museum, and a lush tropical greenhouse, which is where we're going to explore in just a moment. But first, I want to finish up my roll of OptiColour 200 by making a few double exposures. This is one of my favorite techniques. I love the surprise element, and luckily, double exposures are pretty simple to do in camera using my Rolleiflex 2.8F. The key to these is thinking in layers of light, color, and texture. It's good to slightly underexpose each shot, about half a stop or so, to keep the final frame balanced. Built in the 1830s, this beautiful Art Deco glass building holds hundreds of plant species from all around the world. I'm excited to photograph some of my favorites, like towering palms, colorful orchids, and giant monstera. Let's check it out. Immediately you feel the air, like the humidity. It's like a hug. So I had just recently finished up my roll of OptiColour 200, and now with all these beautiful lush greens and hopefully some tropical colored plants, I thought it's fun to try the Lomography 400. So yeah, I'm gonna load my film and then we'll go take a look around the greenhouse. Something fun about using a vintage camera is that it sparks a lot of conversation. People often walk up to me and they're curious to know how it works. It's different from the even like 35 millimeter, like the standard. So this is c'est fini.
But the never saw one.
Yeah, this is a pretty unique camera. It's special and it's always getting people's attention. So the negative is actually like this big.
Okay.
When you get the film back.
Yeah.
This film is sometimes a bit tricky, but there we go. So then it cranks in like this. Yeah, the photos are really cool. So you close it up and it's all like this, and then you crank it until it will go. And then the number one.
Yeah.
And then you go like boop. And it's ready if you want to see like this. This is how it looks. It's very sharp. It's very clear. Yeah. So you have the lesson now.
That was lovely.
All right. So I've loaded up a roll of the Lomo 400. And yeah, so far there's a lot of green. So I think in here I'm going to look for really cool textures and maybe like shade variations, contrasting. But yeah, I've never been in here before. So that's always exciting to just jump in and check out something new. Very warm in here. I got like this leaf with the raindrops on it and then the layers of the light green palm above it. Having a leaf shutter on this camera comes in super handy right now because it's actually a lot darker earlier in the day was much brighter, but it's gotten a bit more overcast today. So for a few of these, I've shot at like a 1/60th shutter speed. So the leaf shutter is really handy. It was cool framing. I don't know if I can show you, but it was like this tall palm and then kind of framed between the fern and the monstera. Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah. I think they'll move in a minute. Patience. Go for it before everybody comes out. Ooh, this is pretty too. Wow, did you see this floating flower? Take a look, it's really pretty. Yeah, I think it could be a type of orchid. I think I got the orchid and the fish. That would be great. It's so beautiful. Let's try one more angle. It's a nice reflection. This is such a beautiful place to explore, but it is very tropical in here. I think I need a huge glass of water when we're finished. And you know what? I only have 2 frames left, so I think we're almost ready to wrap up. Ooh, these bromeliads are really pretty. There's a lot of layering here. Maybe that's a nice picture. Yeah, that's pretty. So for my last shot, I want to find a nice silhouette, like looking up into the leaves. And I think this angle shows a lot of nice textures and different silhouettes. So let's see right here. That's a wrap on that roll of Lomo 400. And wow, it is incredibly hot in here. It's literally like a rainforest. So let's go get a nice cold drink. See you next time.